Good evening everyone. So I welcome you all in a Sapience education. So for more details you can visit our website. So today I am here to solve question number 2.17 of NCERT. Now in this they are asking in figure 2.14, that is this figure we are talking about. This figure gives that xt plot of particle in one dimension motion. So see, this is your xt plot in one dimension motion. Okay, three different equal intervals of a time are shown, in which interval is the average speed is greatest. You need to find average speed in the greatest, and in which the speed is least. Give the sign of the average velocity in each interval. So one by one, if you know the basic things, so what do you mean by xt? If you will talk about graph, that is xt graph. If you will talk about xt graph, let us see here xt graph. Okay, so if you talk about xt graph, so this is your x and this is your t graph. So suppose this is like this. So if you talk about slope, so slope of xt graph gives velocity or speed. Velocity or speed depends upon what you are taking it as a distance. If you are taking as a distance x, then it is your speed, and if you are taking a displacement, then it is your velocity. Now they are telling that which has the highest speed, greatest speed, and which has the least. So from question we can say that which has the highest or the maximum slope. See here, see, this is the slope, this is the slope, and this is the slope. So which has the maximum slope? Maximum slope means maximum inclination. So if from figure you can see that this has a maximum slope. So it means that and this has a minimum slope, right? So from the here we can we write here that slope of xt graph gives a velocity or a speed. So maximum slope is at a 3. Maximum slope is at 3. So it means that it has highest or greatest speed. And if you will talk about the sign, so is it positive or negative? So it is in downward direction, so below, so definitely it will be negative, because it is a displacement is negative divided by time t is positive, so finally sign is negative. Okay, so negative sign. And if you will talk about least, so 2 has least slope. It means it has least velocity or least speed. And if we talk about sign, so this is your positive sign. This is your positive sign. Why it is a positive sign? Because it is above the graph and its slope is in positive direction. See here, slope is in positive direction. So see here, this is your positive direction, but the slope in this direction is your negative direction. Okay, so in this way all our slope are positive, but when it is coming like this, so it means that this is your negative slope. I hope you have understood. It is not a sort of question, so try to make another question. Thank you everyone. Thank you.